My name is J. Selvaraj. My company name is MME Borewell Bangalore Kamanahalli.
Yes.
I will do map dowsing plus traditional plus scientific method 3 in 1. In Bangalore limits, we will do the point ourselves. Drilling also we are doing it on reasonable rate nowadays. Previously it may be more, now is very reasonable rate. You check with our quotation, then you compare with others. Normally we are doing the drilling means for you water will be confirmed. Till the water comes, I will say I check the point. After water comes, I will say our part is Hanabara is good, water came. I will tell like that only. This is called geolocator machine. 1 lakh rupees. This one. Anyone can use. We can find out the depth of the borewell
Correct. We
water
are
source
doing
also. You tell me Malayalam, no problem. உங்க பேரு சொல்லுங்க சார்.
என் பேரு பொன்னப்பன்.
சரி சார். என்ன ஏரியா பேரு?
நான் லிங்கராஜபுரம் ஏரியா.
சரி சார்.
நான் இதே தர இவங்களது பேரை கேட்டு நான் கம்பெனியில் போய் இவங்களது ஆஃபீஸ் பார்த்த பிறகு அவங்க அங்கே எங்கேயோ ஒரு இடத்துல
பாயிண்ட்
பார்க்கறதுக்கு போறேன்னு சொன்னேன். நானும் போய் பார்த்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆயிடுச்சு. என்னன்னு கேட்டால் அவங்க ஒரு 3-4 பாயிண்ட் பார்த்ததுல ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி தண்ணி வந்துட்டு இருந்தது. நானும் என் கண்ணால பார்த்த பிறகுதான். அது விடுங்க சார், உங்க சைட்ல பண்ணிக்கிறது உங்களுக்கு சமாதானம் ஆயிருக்கா? இப்போ என்னோட சைட்லயும் நான் அதே மாதிரி சைட்டு தண்ணி பார்க்கறதுக்கு வந்ததுக்கு 2-3 பாயிண்ட் பார்த்ததுல சரி சார் ரொம்ப ஜாஸ்தி வர்றது வந்துட்டு நார்த்து ஈஸ்ட் சைடு இல்ல வந்துட்டு இருக்குது. சரி, அவங்க சொன்னது 1200 ஃபீட்டுக்குள்ள மேக்ஸிமம் தண்ணி 2.5 இன்ச்சு தண்ணி கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்குது. நான் 1.5 இன்ச்சு தான் சொல்லிடுவேன். சயின்டிஃபிக் வந்து 2.5 இன்ச்சு காமிச்சுருக்கு.
After checking, I checked up myself is right point or wrong point. Is correct.
third source. அதுக்கப்புறம் தேவையில்லை பார்ப்போம்.
We will do A to Z borehole work in Bangalore limits. Whatever the work, I will start with a puja. Always God blessing is getting it time. More blessing I'm expecting from my subscribers. If I face problem, I'll intimate. We got rock level 40 feet, but we did the borewell 10 feet more. We erected the casing pipe inner the rock level, so we can avoid the filter pipe. Especially we didn't put 10-inch PVC pipe. Without water injection we cannot put. Like this powder will come. For avoiding that we have to put water injection. If we put water injection, just see the powder will get stopped. This is a symptom of getting water. First you are getting wet water balls, then you'll get little liquid, then you get water. This is a way of coming water. In general, if you put water injection, if water comes also, we cannot able to understand whether borewell water or water injection water. Driller only knows. He only has to guide the customer. Customer cannot judge where the water comes. So we have to see every rod how many minutes taking. If you watch that one, we can calculate. I will wait for my limitation. If it is cross my limitation, I will try to do little puja. Then I'll try still the water coming or not. So many places I did, I'm getting click. This is nothing else. Just milk, karpura, lemon, agarbatti. That is enough. If you put, something effect will be there. God always with me. Always after doing puja, some effect will be there, some difference will be there, something more you can expect. But this case, I didn't expect that much. So I stopped the rig. Next day, try to start. I intimate my subscribers. So far today, I didn't get that much progress. Let them pray for me. I requested. They prayed. I got some differences. Even though I'll stop 6:30 in the evening. Next day morning 6:30 I started. I got not much, little water only. This is second day. Storage this much it came. Somehow water is there in the borewell, that we can came to the conclusion. Even you also, when the borewell keep on trying, you have to stop. In evening, next day morning you have to wait and see whether the water is coming or not. Water is there, 100% water will come out. So water came out. When you seeing this output, we can judge only half an inch to 1 inch water only. Actually, I am very happy. My videos nowadays seeing more and more customer. My subscribing rate also improving more and more. Thanks to subscribe my channel. Thanks to share to others my channel. Actually, I told 1080 feet. My target is over. Then I stopped 1100 feet. Then I went to temple, Sai Baba temple. Then I did the puja. After that, within one rod, see the puja I did. Within one rod, I got more water. See, this is way of water coming. Some changes happen. One rod, second rod water came. See how nicely God is given water. My subscribed, everybody prayed for me. My main well-wisher, I am thinking as my subscriber only. Then God also. Water started. See, this is way of water. See? Try to share my channel. Try to subscribe my channel. MME Borewell. We are doing A to Z borewell work. We have 6-wheel, 10-wheel, sensor, box vehicle, robo borewell, gas borewell, rod cleaning, hose cleaning, borewell motor removing, struck motor clarification, general consultant about borewell within Bangalore limits, all facilities, camera scanning with CD, without CD, anytime you can call us. Borewell cleaning, filter pipe erection, they are cleaning now their rig, lorry with air pressure. Water is coming more and more. I committed 1.5 inch water. It's coming more than 2.5 inch water. Now I will agree. Water is coming for only for defense parties Hanagara, not my divining. Party got more satisfied. Everybody seeing my channel. He is the rig manager. He is also getting happy. Yesterday his face is very sad. Today his face is very happy mode. Party given. Finally sweet also. Tips also more. the blue shirt is J. Selvaraj. I am also happy. My point is success. I drilled the point, I divined the point, I am happy now. In future, I am ready to do the drilling in Bangalore on nominal rate. Divining is myself. If you do divining myself, water is confirmed. Try to understand. Last he cleaned with the vehicle air pressure. Now is within cleaning water pressure. Always after doing the duty, we must do cleaning. Whether shop, whether office, whether factory, whether whatever it. Cleaning is important. Cleaning will give you more money, more blessing. Yesterday I am in tension. I cannot give proper video. Today hopefully this will be nice video. Try to subscribe. See, now they are removing the rod. Everybody knows that, even though I am showing it how they are removing the rod. This is not important, even though after finishing that what they are doing it, how they are removing it. They are removing, how they are fixing the rod, how they are going back to the old position. Just I am showing it. This is called sensor rig, high pressure rig. Try to do divining anywhere in India. I am ready to do that. I will do online point also. Map dowsing, satellite water point. Try to give chance to me. Show my effect. I am in the field more than 30 years. Doing divining more than 20 years. See, he got happy. The final work is be done and finished with the cap, with the welding. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ನಾನೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್?
Hi, my name is Surya. I got Mr. Selvaraj's contact through my contractor, Mr. Shantraj. 2 days back, he had come and checked the point, and so the point was starting initially was 800, then it went to 1080 is what we were told that we'll get the water. Initially, we did not have hope because even after we doing the pujas before we starting the program, we didn't get water at 1080 feet, and finally we put another rod, and as Mr. Selvaraj said, we'll try for another rod, and water came. So we are very happy. There was very good pressure. We liked the way everything went well, smoothly. I would definitely recommending Mr. Selvaraj for other of my friends.
You got how much water you got, sir? More than 2 inch water you got?
Yeah, more than 2.5, 3 inch water we have got at the depth of 1,200 feet.
Can you tell me, madam, something? Satisfied my job?
Yeah, extremely we are happy. I mean, we actually, when my brother told me, my name is Preeti.
Okay.
And this is my brother. So when he told me that yesterday when we started drilling, the water did not come, we were really little upset. But then Mr. Selvaraj, he didn't give up his hope. He was too honest to his job. He had to accomplish what was given to him. And today we saw the fruit for that work that was given to him.
The hard work
and the dedication that was given.
And another point I want to add is throughout the drilling, he was there right from morning 6 o'clock yesterday throughout the day, and again today this morning 6 o'clock. He's been standing and supervising the entire drilling process, and he was maintaining a record for each and every feet, every pipe that has been going under the so I'm really glad to have him hired.
Actually, I given live also. This is also going into live only.
Okay.
Another 1 hour you can see in YouTube. Okay.
Okay.
So many customers will call you. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
sure.
you also try to give few customers.
Sure,
Okay.
sure.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for your
Definitely.
cooperation.
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Now the rig is moving. We'll see very soon next super fast rig pin to pin video from MME Borewell channel, J. Selvaraj.